High alert has been sounded across the length and breadth of Jammu and Kashmir, particularly along the India-Pakistan international border and line of control on the eve of the new year. Right now, we are at the India-Pakistan international border in Jammu's Araspura sector. We are with a patrolling party of the BSF, and behind me you can see that the women BSF personnel are patrolling right now here in Jammu's Araspura sector. There are intelligence inputs which suggest that Pakistan is looking for an opportunity to push terrorists into Jammu and Kashmir to create mayhem in Jammu and Kashmir, but strict vigil is being maintained by our brave BSF personnel here at the India-Pakistan international border in Araspura sector. On every auspicious occasion, Pakistan tries to create mayhem in Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan tries to create disturbances in Jammu and Kashmir, but our brave BSF personnel are maintaining strict vigil and they are ready to give a befitting reply to the enemy if it resorts to any kind of misadventure. Look at the spirit and determination of our brave BSF personnel. Jammu and Kashmir is reeling under intense cold wave conditions, but despite such circumstances, our brave BSF personnel are working round the clock and manning our frontiers, manning our borders. It's not an easy job, particularly in this cold season, particularly in winters. It becomes very challenging for our security forces to ensure that enemy doesn't resort to any kind of misadventure. And I will just ask my camera person to show you the pictures of this border fence. And there you see the Pakistani post, which is just meters away from the spot where we are standing right now. And at times, an eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation takes place here at the India-Pakistan international border. In the last couple of years, Pakistan has managed to create disturbances, particularly in Jammu region. Pakistan pushed terrorists into Jammu and Kashmir, and that is why there is no room for lowering the guard, whether it's winters, summers, or rainy season. Our brave BSF personnel maintain strict vigil, and they also foil the nefarious designs of terrorists and Pakistan. And right now, on the eve of New Year, high alert has been sounded across the length and breadth of Jammu and Kashmir, particularly along the India-Pakistan international border and the line of control. The place where we are standing right now, it's one of the most dangerous stretches along the India-Pakistan international border. And look at the spirit and determination of our BSF personnel who are working in adverse circumstances on the eve of New Year. They are away from their families, manning our frontiers, manning our borders. We will speak to one of the BSF personnel here. मैम, कितना चुनौतीपूर्ण बन जाता है ऐसी ठंड में, कपकपाती ठंड में यहाँ पर कार्य करना?
ठंड में धुंध की वजह से बहुत सारी चुनौतियां हमारे सामने आते हैं, जिससे कि हमें अपनी ड्यूटी को बढ़ाना पड़ता है। और इस ठंड में सबके लिए ये चुनौती भरा है, लेकिन मैं फिर भी देशवासियों से कहना चाहूँगी कि वो आश्वस्त रहें। हम यहाँ तैनात हैं, उनको डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। और सभी देशवासियों की मेरी तरफ से नए साल की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज़ बताइए कि नव वर्ष का समय है, क्या अपने परिवार को आप मिस कर रहे हैं?
बीएसएफ ही हमारा परिवार है और ये देश ही हमारा परिवार है, जिसके लिए हम यहाँ तैनात हैं और हम इनके साथ ही हर त्यौहार यहाँ खुशी-खुशी मनाते हैं।
So you just heard from this BSF personnel. She says that for them, nation comes first, duty comes first, and family comes later. And this is the spirit and Josh and Jazba of our BSF personnel that motivates them. They are working round the clock. They are serving motherland. They are trying to ensure that enemy doesn't resort to any kind of misadventure. In the past, Pakistan has resorted to fighting also, but after the ceasefire agreement came in place, the guns may have fallen silent, but Pakistan continues to disrupt peace in Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan continues to aid infiltration. Pakistan is also using drones to smuggle weapons and drugs in Jammu and Kashmir. And many times, our brave BSF personnel have foiled the nefarious designs of Pakistan and terrorists. And on the eve of New Year, strict vigil is being maintained across the line of control as well as along the international border. And these BSF personnel are motivated, they are ready to take on the enemy if it resorts to any kind of misadventure, and they are ready to foil the nefarious designs of Pakistan and terrorists. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from India-Pakistan international border in Jammu's Araspura sector for India Today.